Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Safi Sundeka Ramadhani. I'm from Electrical Engineering Class C. My student number is 23, 10, 95, 10, and 15. In this time, I will read a text about technology and your health. I have believed for a while that mobile phone, maps, and another technology is harmful to our health due to the exposure of radiation. Scientists at the very least think mobile phones should be used as little as possible. They think it is better to be cautious about using mobiles, and a lot of scientists believe they are harmful to your health. Mobile phones are particularly bad for children. The phone companies will tell you that they are safe. But remember, they are selling a product, so they are hardly going to put you off buying their product by telling you is it unsafe. Where there's a lot of money involved, there tends to be corruption. So don't think that they are the government who get a tax of the money from the use of maps and mobile phones that are put up. Have your best interest in mind. After all, people say that smoking, asbestos, and medication thalidomide, pesticides, and so on were either safe or wouldn't cause you serious harm. However, they were wrong as they cause cancer, disability, and terrible illnesses. I think technology will be the next generation what drink, smoking, and drugs have been to previous generations. In fact, research claims mobile phone could kill more people than smoking. Wireless or Wi-Fi can cause headache, nausea, tiredness, and memory loss in some people. Technology can be particularly hazardous if you are sensitive to it. We have so much technology now. There is 24-hour television, computers, Nintendo games, phone, and so on. It is not just mobiles, but big phone or cordless too, and on top of all this there is wireless as well. Electrical gadgets in the bedroom can also cause sleep problems. Is it best to have non-electronic items in your bedroom? But if you can do without them, at least make sure you don't have a computer, cordless phone, or mobile in your bedroom. Or at least make sure they are turned off. Cordless phones emit a high amount of radiation. This is because they have to be on all the time so that the phone can be charged up. If you didn't do this, the phone wouldn't work. So keep your technology use a limited amount of time each day. Particularly, keep your use of mobile phones to a minimum and use a lead line instead, because your mobile phone can cause cancerous brain tumor if they are used for a long period of time over the years. Always remember that your health is very important, as you might find you are unable to return to good health once you have lost it. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.